If you want the ultimate shortcut to comprehensive gallery-ready portrait edits in a single click, look no further than the Luxe Portraits 2026 Recipe Kit. For the first time ever in a Luxe collection, we've brought together a full global preset look and localized AI retouching into a single tap. These aren't just subtle foundation bases. Each recipe pairs a standalone, fully developed global style with targeted adaptive tools, uniting global color grading and multi-zone retouching like never before for dynamic, all-in-one results. Each of the 20 recipe presets deploys a complete, masterfully balanced editing formula. Instead of building your edit step by step, selecting a global grade, adding skin smoothing, sculpting the eyes, and adjusting background depth, a single tap deploys all of these elements simultaneously. Every AI mask within the recipe comes custom-tuned by percent to ensure the subject's complexion, features, and surroundings harmonize perfectly without overprocessing. Let's put these master formulas to the test on one image. Notice how each single-tap recipe completely reimagines both the global mood and the localized retouching in seconds. Clean Portrait pairs our True Skin global preset with custom-tuned subject light, expressive eye suites, and background chroma boosts. Defined Edge combines stylized refined portrait with precision skin sculpting, hair definition, and a minimalist background edit. Dreamy Wash blends stylized dreamy sunlight with hydrating skin revivers, halo glow accents, and a soft background wash. Earthy Canvas stacks stylized earthy richness with clean subject lighting, tone harmonization, and subtle evening background glow. Emboldened Style merges stylized, vibrant essence with luminous skin bases, eye definition, lip pop accents, and a minimalist background. Family Session pairs clean neutral base with balanced skin bases, smooth contouring, expressive eyes, and subject lift and pop. Filmic Warmth merges stylized sandy warmth with sun-kissed skin tones, expressive brows, and timeless film background depth. Fresh Lifestyle combines clean, fresh skin with skin hydration revivers, expressive eye suites, and a soft and dreamy background style. Golden Moment stacks clean golden bloom with golden complexion enhancements and warm subject harmonization. Intimate Light pairs stylized moody frame with hair softening, expressive eyes, and a dramatic canvas background. Lifted Glow blends clean luminous blush with peachy skin touches, halo glow accents, and luminous beauty adjustments. Natural Bloom combines clean outdoor allure with balanced skin bases, hair definition, subject lift and pop, and an airy blossom background lift. Polished Headshot combines clean studio light with soft skin retouching, smooth contouring, and refined focus for a professional finish. Radiant Finish pairs stylized muted analog with texture-enhanced clothing, peachy skin tones, and an airy balanced background lift. Soft and Silky stacks clean soft veil with skin hydrating revivers, hair softening, halo glow accents, and a dreamy background finish. Studio Pop combines clean perfect finish with skin contouring, subject lift and pop, hair definition, and background lighting brightening. Sun-Kissed Frame blends clean warm radiance with sun-kissed glow accents, peachy skin tones, subject tone harmonization, and a dramatic canvas background. Textured Depth stacks clean warm radiance with smooth skin contouring, textured subject definition, and dramatic background depth. Vintage Fade combines stylized dusty film with clean subject light, softened hair, and vintage analog background styling. And last, but certainly not least, the Warm Editorial recipe, pairing stylized golden editorial with expressive eye suites, defined hairstyling, subject lift and pop, and background color softening. While these formulas are pre-built for instant perfection, you retain 100% creative control. Want less global oomph? Adjust the main preset amount slider. Need a lighter touch on the skin or eyes? Or want to remove a specific effect? Open the masking panel, where every AI layer remains fully ungrouped and editable, and click to adjust the percent slider for that individual zone. Toggle to hide, or delete to remove completely. It gives you instant, professional results out of the box, plus an incredible blueprint for learning how global edits and adaptive tools layer together. Speedrun your workflow, achieve all-in-one dynamic style, and elevate your portrait gallery in a single click. The Luxe Portraits 2026 Recipe Kit is ready to transform your editing process.